Embarking on a transformative journey to shed excess belly fat within the confines of your home is an admirable pursuit. In this extensive guide, we will delve into 5 essential exercises that not only promise a flat stomach in just 1 month, but also provide a holistic approach to overall fitness. Stay tuned until the end, as the 5th exercise is a game changer that could redefine your home workout routine. Starting with number 1, ab crunches. Let's kick off with the tried and true ab crunches, renowned for their effectiveness in strengthening the abdominal muscles. Beyond the traditional approach, variations such as bicycle crunches and reverse crunches introduce a dynamic element, engaging oblique and transverse muscles. The benefits extend beyond aesthetics, as ab crunches activate multiple muscle groups, leading to increased calorie expenditure. Executing a classic ab crunch involves lying on your back, legs bent, and firmly planted on the floor. Activating your abdominal muscles, rise smoothly, rounding your back, and hold for 1 to 2 seconds before gradually lowering your body. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for optimal results. Number 2, planks. A seemingly simple yet incredibly effective exercise that engages all major muscle groups, including the core, back, glutes, calves, and arms. The static nature of planks promotes endurance, muscle tone, and improved posture. To execute a classic plank, position yourself on your elbows, maintaining a straight line from head to heels, and keep your legs straight and tense. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, repeating for 3 sets to ensure a comprehensive workout. Number 3, mountain climbers. Now, let's introduce the dynamic and challenging mountain climbers, an exercise aimed at working the muscles of the lower body and abs while burning subcutaneous fat. Beyond muscle engagement, mountain climbers strengthen ligaments and tendons throughout the body. This exercise is performed while lying on straight arms, emphasizing the impact on triceps and back muscles. To do mountain climbers correctly, lower yourself into a plank position with straight arms, tighten your core muscles, and pull your knee towards your stomach, alternating legs. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds to maximize its benefits. Number 4, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks, a classic aerobic exercise, elevates the heart rate and targets multiple muscle groups, including the glutes, quads, hip flexors, abdominals, and shoulders. This exercise achieves a training effect without much effort, making it suitable for various fitness levels. Besides toning muscles, jumping jacks strengthen joints, improve coordination of movements, and increase the body's endurance. To perform jumping jacks correctly, start with legs together and arms down. Make a jump with legs spread to the sides, and simultaneously raise your arms above your head. Incorporate 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds into your routine for effective calorie burn and weight loss. Number 5, burpees. Considered a pinnacle exercise for fat burning, burpees are an intense and effective full-body workout. This exercise involves multiple muscle groups, including the pectoral, back, deltoids, biceps, triceps, glutes, thighs, and calves. The amalgamation of push-ups, squats, and jumps at a high tempo makes burpees a challenging but rewarding addition to your routine. Beyond muscle development, burpees boost metabolism, leading to increased calorie burn and accelerated weight loss. To perform burpees correctly, place your feet shoulder-width apart, squat down, push off the floor to a plank position, perform a push-up, jump your feet to your hands, and then leap vertically, raising your arms. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, ensuring proper form for optimal results. Nutritional considerations. No fitness journey is complete without addressing the crucial role of nutrition. To complement your home workout routine, pay attention to your diet. Ensure a balance of macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Incorporate whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while minimizing processed and sugary foods. Staying hydrated is equally important, as water plays a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Consider consulting a nutritionist for personalized advice tailored to your fitness goals. Consistency is the linchpin of any successful fitness journey. Create a realistic and sustainable workout schedule that aligns with your lifestyle. Whether it's a daily routine or a few times a week, sticking to your plan is crucial. Track your progress to stay motivated. Take measurements, note improvements in endurance or strength, and celebrate small victories along the way. Consider keeping a workout journal or using fitness apps to monitor your achievements and adjust your routine as needed. Remember that fitness is a lifelong journey, and each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay motivated, listen to your body, and enjoy the process. Also be sure to check our other videos and playlists for more insightful content as well. See you soon.